And hello everyone, it's been a while. Welcome back to JSN. Hope you're all doing well in these bad UK times. Well, it's not just the UK, is it? It's the whole of Europe. God, we just about got over the coronavirus and now we've got the car owner virus. Yes, we've got a new project, but it might not be to everybody's taste. Yeah, like I say, it might not be to everybody's cup of tea, so I'm just putting this video out there as a tester, so then at least I'll know that I don't have to waste my time and I don't have to waste your time of making videos of it. I can just crack on with it on my own time and get it sorted out and hopefully enjoy it on the road. Right then, let's take a look at it. A lot of you are probably saying, why buy a scooter? Well, the truth being known is, I'm not getting any younger. Yes, I've still got the GTR 1000, I'm enjoying that very much, but the wife just cannot get on it. The last bike she went on was the white CBR 1000F, if anybody can remember that. We did used to like going down to the Matlock Bath, where all the bikers go. It's not very far from us, about 21 mile. Yeah, she used to love going out on the back of the bike, and now she's starting to miss it, so hopefully she can get on the back of the Bergman and stay comfortable. But I did see these Bergmans come up on YouTube. They are quite big mopeds there. Well, they're not mopeds, they're scooters, and they're 400cc, 650cc. And apparently the 400cc is the one to get because the 650 is quite expensive on parts. And apparently these can do 90 mile an hour on the motorway. Well, I've seen it on YouTube, but whether it's true or not, it must be true, I don't know. But the truth will be known in the pudding. When it's done, if it's ever done. As you could see, there was quite a lot of work what needs doing to it. The main thing obviously is to get it running. Yeah, this bike was last MOT'd in April 2024, so it's been off the road for about a year and a half, I'd say. I'm not going to lie to you, I have been tinkering with it for a couple of weeks. And get that light on. Don't know if you can see down there in the depths. That is the starter motor, and that sounds really, really horrible when the engine turns over, and it drains my power pack really quickly. And I have not been able to start it. As you can probably see, I've been trying to check for spark, but it doesn't really turn over. That's not the right spark plug anyway. It doesn't really turn over that fast. It's, as I say, the starter motor sounds absolutely horrendous. So I've ordered one of those. And then when that comes, we will start work. The main bodywork issues is this main knee shield top thing. It should look like that, all as one. Obviously it's been down on its side. And all this foot peg, all this footboard has smashed off and disappeared. So I've got to get that, and that starts from there all the way up to there, the whole lot. Even the glove box. Can I find one? Not at the moment. I would like to get this fairing as well. I have found one on eBay, but they're £130 or something stupid, and they're smashed as well. This side panel and this bottom panel and this bottom panel under here, smashed down there and missing, so we'll have to get that as well. And the seat, there was a top box on the back. No, not on the back. No, not on the back there. On the back seat. The top box was actually on the back seat, as you can see. It just pushed zip ties through it. Totally ruined the seat. But yes, that's a good idea. Put my top box on the seat. I don't know. Some people are really desperate or crazy. The rear tyre is flat and bold as a badger. That is probably why whoever owned it before took it down the road on its side. Obviously we'll have to do all the brakes, and these scooters apparently have an handbrake. Look at that, wicked. Handbrake on your scooter. How useful will that be? Lots of cosmetic works on the wheels, as you can see. Never had a scooter before, but I think there's some sort of belt in there, belt drive, fan belt, I don't know. You call it a fan belt because it's a belt, it is. It's not on the fan, but you know. So we'll have to get all that off. We'll have a good inspection. The bike, like I say, it does turn over, so we're good there. It didn't turn over on the starter switch. I had to look for the solenoid, which was pretty hard to find, and then eventually I found it hiding down here. Did the front of the fairing. So yes, I just did the usual trick, put the screwdriver between the two terminals and make it arc. At the edge it did spin over briefly before it went flat again. Like I say, the starter motor sounds absolutely horrendous. So hopefully that's what's draining all the power. There is a dipstick down there. I've checked the oil and that does look pretty old. I'll have to do an oil change if and when we get it running. And of course we'll have to do the front brake too. I don't think we need to clean any carburetors out or anything like that, because it's fuel injected. Just hope the injectors aren't just hope the injectors aren't blocked up, or the injector, or whatever it is. Hopefully there's not too much missing. So where did I get this bike from? Yes, I actually paid money. I gave money to somebody, and somebody gave me this. How much did I pay, you all ask? Well, I paid 350 of your finest British pounds. If I'd have had a tow bar on my car, I could have gone and picked one up cheaper, I'm sure. But anyway, it is what it is, and this is what it is. So yes, this video is just to show you like that I'm still out there. I still want to be in the shed. I'm still going to make YouTube videos whenever I can. And like I say, it's probably not to everybody's taste, but this is my latest project. So I hope you're all going to tune in and watch it, and if you are, thank you very much. And thank you for being very patient subscribers. And as you know, I'm not a proper bike mechanic, so any comments you want to leave down below to help me out, especially if I'm doing something wrong, just drop them down below in the comments and they'll be much appreciated. I've probably mentioned in the video. So anyway, that's about it as far as we can go with this video. So stay well, stay safe, and I'll see you.
I'll see you in another life, brother.